The loss was really driven by the charges they took related to the oil spill, about $32 billion pre-tax. The operating earnings actually were pretty good, a little bit better than expected, about $5 billion, really driven by the refining improvement and higher oil prices. Volumes were down a little bit, but the real focus here was obviously the oil spill and the management change announcement today.
And what do you think about BP's pledge to accelerate asset sales? It's going to become a much stripped-down company, but the chairman says that BP can afford this.
Well, BP, I think, is looking to really make the company smaller to grow it from there. That will be a great challenge given what is going on right now in the Gulf of Mexico. Deepwater is a major focus for the company. Most of their new projects in the next few years are going to be in the deepwater. And we'll see how they are able to execute this, just given the political environment here in the U.S. and the public relation issues they have really around the world right now.
Okay, so with these asset sales and dealing with the worst oil spill in U.S. history, BP has to be a changed company after this.
They do need to be a changed company. BP was really doing very well before the oil spill. Unfortunately, this happened in April and has caused, obviously, a great loss to shareholders over time here. But, BP, I think, needs to regroup here. They need to make the company a little bit smaller, a little bit stronger financially, really to offset the increased risk profile the company has right now and the uncertainty of the situation. I think the company is going to struggle from the standpoint of getting partners to work with them going forward. So I think they really need to strengthen the company overall, really to move forward and operate as a standalone company in the future.
Now, Brian, you have a sell call on BP stock. In fact, the only sell rating on the U.S. shares for BP. What does BP have to do for you to reverse that call?
Well, my sell recommendation is really focused on the fact that we serve individual investors, and those individual investors rely on the dividend income and the strong, safe balance sheet that BP had. And obviously those things are gone. There's great uncertainty in the situation right now. With that, I think, it's something that, I obviously always will take a look at the opinion going forward, and opinions are never in perpetuity. But, the restoration of the dividend next year, I think, will be one key aspect of that, as well as just how they are handling the risk profile of the company. And also, I think, finally, I would look at the growth potential for the company going forward, because I think that is going to be a challenge for them right now.